Welcome back to RV Road Report, the place where we explore the most exciting camper vans, motorhomes, and road-ready adventure vehicles from around the world. Today, we're standing inside a showroom to take a full look at something built for real adventure, the 2026 Sportsmobile Sprinter 4x4 Camper Van Motorhome. This rugged long-body camper comes in a stunning, vibrant black finish and promises both comfort and off-road capability. If you love road trips, off-grid camping, and smart camper designs, stay with us because this van packs a lot of features in a compact but powerful package. Exterior, front view. Starting with the front view, the Sportsmobile Sprinter 4x4 immediately looks bold and aggressive. The glossy, vibrant black paint combined with the rugged long-body 4x4 stance gives it a powerful road presence. At the center, you can see the clean Sportsmobile branding proudly displayed inside the showroom. The large grille, modern headlights, and elevated suspension show that this camper isn't just for highways. It's designed for rough roads, mountains, and long adventure journeys. Top side view. Moving to the top side of the van, we can see how this camper is built for off-grid travel. The roof is equipped with solar panels that help generate electricity while you're parked in the sun. You'll also notice the roof-mounted antenna for communication and connectivity during travel. And of course, the external air conditioning unit sits carefully integrated into the roof design, ensuring comfortable temperatures inside the camper no matter where your journey takes you. Backside view. Now let's check out the rear of the Sportsmobile Sprinter 4x4 camper van. The back design is both practical and adventure-ready. You'll see the extra spare tire mounted securely, which is essential for off-road trips. Right next to it, there's a cycle carrier rack, allowing you to bring bicycles along for outdoor exploration once you reach your destination. The rear doors open wide, making it easy to load camping gear, luggage, and outdoor equipment. Side view. On the side of the van, things get even more interesting. This camper features a side-mounted retractable tent or awning, creating a comfortable outdoor sitting area. When parked at a campsite, you can extend the tent and place chairs underneath for shade and relaxation. It transforms the camper into a mini outdoor living space, perfect for enjoying coffee in the morning or relaxing after a long day of driving. Driving compartment. Stepping into the driving compartment, the layout is designed for both comfort and control. The driver and passenger seats are supportive and positioned for long journeys. The dashboard includes modern displays and controls, along with two LED screens, including one dedicated to the rear camera view, so you can easily monitor what's happening behind the van. This setup makes driving such a large camper surprisingly safe and convenient. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the driving compartment, we step into the main living area. Here you'll find a comfortable sofa-style seating arrangement that easily converts into a bed. During the day, it works as a lounge space where travelers can relax, read, or enjoy meals. At night, it transforms into a cozy sleeping area, making this camper perfect for couples or small families looking for a compact but comfortable mobile home. Kitchen area. Next to the seating area is the compact but functional kitchen. Even though the space is small, it's designed very efficiently. You'll find a countertop for food preparation, storage cabinets for kitchen essentials, and a small cooking setup perfect for preparing simple meals on the road. Whether you're making breakfast before a hike or cooking dinner at a campsite, this kitchen makes life on the road much easier. Washroom. Now let's take a quick look at the washroom, which is cleverly fitted into a small section of the camper. Despite the limited space, it includes the essentials you need for road travel: a compact toilet, a small sink, and enough room to freshen up during long trips. It's a smart design that allows travelers to stay comfortable without needing campground facilities every time. So that was a full look at the 2026 Sportsmobile Sprinter 4x4 Camper Van Motorhome in vibrant black. With its rugged long-body design, off-grid solar power, smart interior layout, and adventure-ready features, it's a solid choice for travelers who want freedom on the road. The estimated price for this camper starts around $60,000, which makes it a competitive option in the adventure camper market. Let us know in the comments. Would you take this camper on a road trip? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.